Welcome to Foxtecc. If you have a password-protected PDF on your Android phone and you want to remove the password, there's an easy way to do it. Let's go through the steps so you can unlock your file and access it without restrictions. First, you'll need a PDF management app. Open the Google Play Store and download an app like Adobe Acrobat PDF Utility or Zoto PDF. Personally, I like using Zoto PDF because it has a simple lock and unlock feature built in, but of course, you can use any app that works for you. Once you have the app installed, open your password-protected PDF and enter the required password to unlock it. Next, look for the option to export, print, or save the file. In Zoto PDF, for example, a dedicated feature that allows you to remove a password from a PDF. Just upload your protected PDF, select Remove Password, and then type in the current password to unlock it. Once it's processed, you can save the PDF again, and this time it will be completely unprotected, meaning you won't need to enter a password every time you open it. If your app doesn't have a built-in unlock feature, another option is to use the Save As or Create a Copy function. This allows you to generate a new version of the file without the original security restrictions. Just make sure to double-check the new file before deleting the old one to ensure that the password has been removed successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a password from a PDF on Android using a simple app. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.